Well, baby Poopa was supposed to be going to sleep, and Daddy took her out of bed because he was going to change her wrap. And she's completely fascinated by these things on the wall. Isn't that right, baby Poopa? Eh? Isn't that right, baby Poopa? Hmm? Well, we're supposed to be going to sleep, so I should really wrap you back up and put you in bed. Well, you do look very, very cute. You don't look very sleepy either. Hey, Wigglepots. Wigglepots. Say good night. Cheeky monkey. Hey, Cheeky Dimples. You say good night. Can I put you in your wrap? Yeah. You say night night. Oh, a little spot. Clean that up, right? Say night night. Say night night. There's a little monkey. Yeah, wave goodbye. Night night. Night night, pretty.